Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting Dior unboxing. As you know, Dior was on my wish list. Today's the reveal, so let's get right into it. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jamie. I make videos on luxury and fashion every week. I'd love it if you would subscribe. So before we get into the big reveal, I did find that vintage Dior piece. It's the cognac color saddlebag. I will put a picture for y'all, and it's beautiful. I do plan on adding a strap, but you know what, guys? That was not my biggest point of this whole video. I really wanted to get into the new item that I recently purchased. So as you guys recall from my wish list, as well as Instagram, I said it was a matte finish wish list item. Well, I am so excited to reveal my brand new 30 Montaigne. This is such a great bag to add to my collection. I'm so excited to have a bag with more of an understated look. I really love that matte finish that you get with this hardware combination. I really wanted a bag that was more an everyday type of bag and had more the understated type of chic look. I love it in this box classic shape. Reminds me a lot of that Celine box bag. I just love this combination with the stamped green leather. It's going to be pretty durable. I love how the hardware, it's more understated, which is different from a lot of my other bags. A lot of my bags have the gold hardware finish. So it was definitely more of a different type of look I was going for. I'm obsessed with this blush color. I don't think you can get any better when it comes to a blush nude. Dior makes some of the best blush nude colors. The strap, it is detachable and you can adjust it. There's a couple holes on it, so definitely can adjust it to my 5'2" height. It's great that you can remove the strap and you can wear it as a clutch. So that is another great feature. I did have concerns with the gold version of the hardware. I saw a lot of reviews where they were talking about scratches, but overall, I really wanted to go with more the understated matte finish look. So for me, it was either the Lady Dior or the 30 Montaigne. So why did I not get the Lady Dior? When it comes to Lady Dior, I would love that to be more in that lambskin and classic pairing with the champagne jewelry. Naturally, that pretty much eliminated down to the Dior Montaigne. So I'm going to take some time and really use this bag before I do more of a thorough review and share with you guys. But so far, I'm really just enjoying the bag. I think it's so beautiful. Okay, guys, well, let me know what you think. This is just a quick reveal. I love to hear your thoughts. And with that, I will talk to you guys later. Take care.